It's your man Big D Worldwide, Big D's YouTube channel. Check this out. This is a cutout in the ground. This is at the Volcano National Park in Hawaii. This is steam being released from an actual volcano. Check this footage out inside of a volcano. It's the Thurston lava tube. Made by lava after a volcano eruption. So this is the landscape at the Volcano National Park of the crater and the crater and the crater. See the landscape here? Volcano erupted just 2 days ago. So you can see the smoke coming up from it. And you can smell it. Now you can't smell it on the video, but you can smell it.